Part 4 of Chapter 6. Sultan Velid and his friends went one day to Husam's garden. Some of the disciples felt a desire to eat some honey, but had said nothing on the subject. Husam read their thoughts. He therefore ordered his gardener to bring some new honeycomb from a certain hive. More and more and still more comb was brought until all were satisfied. Still the hive was yet full. When they left his garden, Husam sent the hive with them, and for a long time it supplied all their wants. And wants versus needs. Perhaps the wants reduced, right? But sometimes there's very flourishing production of bees and stuff that you wouldn't quite expect, or if there's more bees from elsewhere replacing the group, like only a part of the hive is in the hive at the time, and that sort of thing.